KDE Gear 2603 upgrade on Arch Linux. Add unstable repository to etc. pacman.conf. Yay upgrade. After this update, the desktop did not start because Qt6 base needs to be updated. Add extra testing repo to install Qt6 base 6.1. Reboot. Dolphin 2603. Crite 2603. I love material design style. KCalc 2603. Console 2603. Denlive 2603. Ocular Union Alto Feature. Cleopatra 2603. Marble. You need to click on Apply. GNOME is more direct. I'm very excited about GNOME 50, but for now, I decided to continue with KDE. Thanks everyone. Leave a like and subscribe to oside.net to find out if I'll be back home. GNOME.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when